Yes, integral x to the power of n dx, x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Based on that, now in yesterday assignment, many problems given. So that all students completed. Integral 1 by x dx, that is ln x. Integral a to the power of x dx, a to the power of x by ln a. So similarly, yes, these all equations, these all integrants of fundamental functions. Based on this, one assignment completed. In that, one question here now I have taken, just a small revision. Integral 5 cos cube x plus 7 sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. That integration we need. So in that, 5 cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x integral. Students, 5 constant, cos cube x, here cos square, so cos x by sin square x, cos x by sin x, that is cot x, 1 by sin x, so that is cosecant x into dx. This is first term. Next, plus 7 outside, sin square x cancel, but still one sin x is there. Sin x by cos x, that is tan x. Tan x into 1 by cos x, that is secant x. Secant x dx. So now 5 students, integral cot x cosecant x dx. Already we know minus cosecant x. So minus 5 cosecant x first term plus 7 integral tan x secant x dx, that is secant x plus one constant c as usual. Yes, now this problem based on yesterday's small revision. So now today topics. Yes, first now based on this, many problems, that is 10 problems given. All students completed. Yes, one more revision also over. Now come to today higher functions are. That is all basic functions. Now combinations I will explain. Okay, first take that first. Yes, so students, now in those functions, any now higher functions are there, complex functions. By using the method of substitution, we need to complete all integrations. Substitution. So how to apply that substitution method? Yes, one by one I will explain. Please follow. Suppose integral sin x dx, this already known function. Integral sin x dx minus cos x plus c, that is okay, plus some constant. Integral sin x dx. But suppose instead of sin x, here integral sin 2x dx, suppose question mark. Instead of just x, here 2x is there, sin 2x dx. So then sin 2x dx, but we don't know sin 2x dx, but we know sin x dx. So that's why students here this function, whatever may be unknown, that to 2x, assume one more function. Suppose y equal to 2x. I am assuming just y equal to 2x. Differentiate. Dy by dx is nothing but a 2. Then this can be written as dy equal to 2 into dx. This can be written as dx equal to dy divided by 2. Right. Now substitute. This is our given main function. This equal to integral sine 2x. 2x plus y. Sine y dx. Dx is nothing but dy by 2. So dy divided by 2. That 1 by 2 is a constant. Send outside. 1 by 2 integral sine y dy. But all students know integral sine x dx is a minus cos x. Similarly, integral sine y dy also minus cos y. Integral sine t dt equal to minus cos t. So like that, here integral sine y dy is a minus cos y. So now final answer, minus cos y divided by 2. But our answer should be in terms of x, not in terms of y. So that's why y equal to 2x I assume. Now I am substituting that. So final answer, students, minus cos of 2x divided by 2. This is the final answer for integral sine 2x to dx. Yes, I'll take fast. Yes, next. Suppose integral sine of 2x plus 3 dx equal to question mark. Students, we know integral sine x to dx, so we know that is minus cos x. But here 2x plus 3 is there. That's why again assume y equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 derivative we know already. So dy divided by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, is a 2. Now dy equal to 2 into dx. Therefore dx equal to dy by 2. Again substitute. This equal to integral sine of 2x plus 3 is a y. But dx place dy by 2. 1 by 2 constant outside. Then integral sine y dy minus cos y. Again y place 2x plus 3. Directly minus cos of 2x plus 3 divided by 2 is final answer for that. Yes, come on, take this also fast. Yes, next one. Suppose integral sine of 2x square plus 3 into x dx equal to question mark. Suppose this is the problem. Yes, again y equal to 2x square plus 3. Derivative of 2x square plus 3 we know. dy by dx equal to 4x. So therefore dy divided by 4 equal to x dx. Now I am substituting integral sine 2x square plus 3 is a y, x dx is a dy divided by 4 integral sine y dy minus cos y. But y place 2x square plus 3. So minus cos y. Y is nothing but 2x square plus 3 minus cos y. But here 1 by 4 is there. So by. So this is now another now complex integration. Please take that first. Right, next to integral sin x cos x dx equal to question mark sums. Integral sin x cos x dx. So this now I am assuming y equal to sin x. Y equal to sin x. Dy by dx, that is the derivative of y with respect to x. Sin x to derivative cos x we know. So therefore dy equal to cos x into dx. Now substitute here integral sin x means y, x cos x dx dy, integral y dy y square by 2. So y means sin x, sin square x by 2 is integrand of this. Okay, come on, take that also. Yes, ready? Suppose integral tan x dx, because integral tan x dx is not fundamental function now. But this tan x we can write, students, integral sin x divided by cos x into dx. Again let y equal to cos x. Cos x derivative we know. Dy by dx equal to minus sin x. Therefore, dy equal to minus sin x dx. Now we can substitute integral sin x dx minus dy minus dy divided by cos x is a y. Integral dx by x ln x. Similarly, integral dy by y ln y. Already minus is there. Minus ln y. But y means what? Cos x. Yes, come on, take this. Yes, so similar to this, you can take integral cot x to dx. cos x by sin x. Let y equal to sin x. Derivative of sin x, just here cos x. dy equal to cos x dx. Integral dy by y. Ln y. Y means sin x. That is integral cot x dx I explain. Similar to this. You can try now after class. Yes, next to integral sin x divided by cos cube x dx. So this integration of integral sin x by cos x tan x into 1 by cos square x secant to square x into dx. Suppose integral tan x secant x dx means directly secant x. But here integral tan x secant square x is there. So that's why again here let y equal to tan x and dy by dx secant to square x. Therefore dy equal to secant to square x into dx. Then you can substitute integral tan x place y secant to square x dx place dy. Yes, final answer y square by 2 plus some constant. You can substitute again y equal to tan x, tan square x by 2. This is now tan square x by 2. And one more point, students. Yes, from here to here, first take now I will tell. Yes, now see here integral tan x secant square x dx. Here y equal to tan x one student taken suppose. That student got this answer. Another student y equal to secant x suppose taken y equal to secant x. What is the derivative of secant x? Secant x to tan x. So now y equal to secant x, dy by dx equal to secant x to tan x. Therefore dy equal to secant x to dx, secant x to tan x to dx. Then that student here y equal to secant x means y into tan x to secant x to dx means dy, y square by 2, but that student will get secant square x by 2. So now here same integrand, two answers, two are correct. So derivative of tan square x by 2, this answer. Derivative of secant square x by 2 also same answer. So that's why now integrand of any function have more than two answers also. Right? Yes, this is one example. Come on, take fast. Yes, next to integral sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, 2x plus 3, 2x square plus this all completed students. Now integral sin square x dx equal to question mark. Integral sin x dx we know that is minus cos x. But this is a sin square x dx. So this type of problem. Yes, now we need, yes, trigonometric equations. Yes, so students, cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Yes, in the trigonometry class I explained, but many students remember also. Now, sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, right? This is sine square x part in terms of cos 2x, because cos 2x integration we know, but the sine square x we don't. So that's why now just to convert. Now integral sine square x place 1 minus cos 2x by 2 means 1 by 2 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 dx we know, cos 2x dx also we know. Yes, first term integral 1 by 2 dx, very simple, x by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant, integral dx is a x, so x by 2. First term over. Now second term 1 by 2 constant, cos 2x dx now required. Integral cos 2x dx. Integral sin 2x dx, how we solve now? First example, same similar to that. Now here cos 2x dx we need to complete. Yes, if you know directly you can write now, otherwise now again let cos 2x, that is now y equal to 2x, dy by dx equal to 2 means dy equal to 2 into dx. Now dx equal to dy by 2. Yes, integral cos 2x means cos y, dx place dy by 2, 1 by 2 outside. Integral cos y dy is a sine y. So integral cos y dy is a sine y, but y equal to 2x. So therefore here answer x by 2 as it is, minus already 1 by 2 is there, here 1 more 2. 1 by 4 into sine 2x plus constant, that is as it is. So this is complete now integrand of sine square x dx. I will take that also. Yes, so students, once the sine square x dx completed, suppose integral cos square x dx, cos square x dx. Yes, again by using the same principle, but small changes there. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Therefore, cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So integral sine square x dx completed. Integral cos square x dx. Cos square x is nothing but 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here now I will substitute. Just in the place of minus, just plus will come, that's all. Remaining same as it is. So final answer also x by 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus constant. Here plus will come. So this is integral sine square x dx, integral cos square x dx. Next to students, suppose integral cos square x minus sine square x dx, suppose. Integral cos square x to dx, already we know. Integral sin square x to dx, already we know. Yes, just to substitute and now subtract. That is method 1. Another method is there. Integral cos square x minus sin square x to dx. Cos square x minus sin square x is a cos 2x. Cos 2x integration we know. Cos 2x, this is cos 2x integration. So that's why, yes, in the integration linked with more trigonometry. That's why yesterday I suggested, yes, remember some trigonometric formula. That's why in the assignment yesterday I sent some formulas. Okay, this integration also over. Now come to some other models. Yes, so students, based on first principle, some examples I am giving. Integral x to the power of n dx. X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, where n is not equal to minus 1. Suppose n equal to minus 1, integral 1 by x dx equal to ln x, that all we know. Yes, integral x to the power of n dx, some problems. Integral directly x to the power of 4 dx is there. Yes, answer x to the power of 5 by 5. That's fine. But suppose here integral 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 dx equal to question mark. Integral 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 dx equal to question mark. Here complete term only x is there. X to the power of 6 divided by 6 is answer. But here 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 is there. Again substitution. Let y equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore dy by dx equal to, we know differentiation of 2x plus 3, that is 2. So dy by dx is a 2. Then dy by 2 is nothing but a dx. Now I am substituting in this. Integral 2x plus 3 is a y, that is y to the power of 5 dx place dy divided by 2, but 1 by 2 is a constant. We can now write outside. So 1 by 2 integral y to the power of 5 dy, all we know, y to the power of 6 by 6. Y place here this one substitute. So therefore final answer 1 by 2 already there. Y to the power of 6 divided by 6. So 6 into 2, 12. Y to the power of 6 by 12. Y place 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 6 by 12 plus some constant. Come and complete that. Yes, so students, now one more similar model. Integral dx divided by 3x minus 5 whole cube, suppose. Dx by 3x minus 5 whole cube. Yes, now this integration we need. Again substitution. Y equal to 3x minus 5. Dy by dx, derivative, differentiation we know, that is 3. Then dx we need. Dx means dy by 3. So dy by 3 is a dx. Now substitution. Integral dx place dy divided by 3. 3x minus 5 is a y cube. 1 by 3, that is constant outside. Y to the power of minus 3. Y to the power of minus 3, nothing but integral x to the power of n form. Y to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Means y to the power of minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 2. Nothing but 1 divided by 6 y square plus some constant. But now y place 3x minus 5. 1 divided by 6 into 3x minus 5 whole square plus constant is finally our answer. That is our final answer. Come on, take that please, fast. Yes, next. Integral x dx divided by integral x dx divided by 3x square plus 5. This integration now we. Yes, y equal to 3x square plus 5 dy by dx, that is 6x. Therefore dy by 6 equal to x into dx. Then you can substitute again here, students. Integral x to dx place dy divided by 6. 3x square plus 5 is a y. 1 by 6. Students, integral dx by x to ln x we know, similarly dy by y ln y. But y place 3x square plus 5 plus constant. Come on, take this also. Yes, next one. Integral x to dx divided by x square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2, suppose. Integral x dx by x square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Yes, again y equal to x square plus a square. A is a constant here. Then dy by dx is nothing but 2x. Because a square is a constant, so that's why derivative is a 0. Therefore, dy divided by 2 equal to x to dx. Now substitution. Integral x to dx, that is dy divided by 2. X square plus a square is a y. Y to the power of 3 by 2. This we can write, students, 1 by 2 into integral y to the power of minus 3 by 2 into dy. 1 by 2 constant y to the power of minus 3 by 2 dy, nothing but it x to the power of n dx. Yes, here n is nothing but minus 3 by 2. That's why I'm writing y to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Yes, so here these two going to numerator cancel out. Indirectly minus 1 divided by root y. But students, minus 1 by root over y is nothing but a x square plus a square plus some constant outside. So minus 1 by root over x square plus a square is integrand of x dx by x square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Come on, take this. Yes, now similar one more model. Here instead of 3 by 2 students, just 1 by 2 I am writing. 1 by 2 means under root x square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2 over. This is the answer. I am writing x square plus a square whole to the power of 1 by 2 means indirectly under root. Again same, y equal to x square plus a square, dy by dx equal to 2x, dy by 2 equal to x dx. But here instead of 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Here plus 1 by 2. Here also plus 1 by 2. Yes, means now here 2 cancel out. Only root y we will get. Root y. Yes, answer is root y. But y equal to, so that's why x square plus a square plus some constant c you can write. So this is integral x dx by root over x square plus a square. Not x square plus a square whole to the power 3, but that already complete. So take this answer. Root over x square plus a square plus constant. Yes, students, this also completed. Now just wait one more. Students, here integral x dx by root over x square plus a square in this way completed. But suppose here x not there. Integral dx by root over x square plus a square is there, suppose. Then suppose one student taken y equal to x square plus a square dy by dx equal to 2x, dy by 2 equal to x dx. But here x not there. Only dx. Dx is nothing but dy by x. Means here in the integration now, x terms there, again y terms there. Means no more difficult. So that's why assumption now carefully we need to assume. So in this problem, trigonometric equations are rectified. Yes, so students, now in the trigonometry identity is completed. That is sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. So next to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1. These three identities now here applicable. Yes, now here sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Suppose you considering this. Here cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. but here inside plus is there. That's why this identity not useful in the present problem. Now I am taking secant to square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant to square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Suppose now send this tan square theta that side. Secant to square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now in the same problem, integral dx divided by, if I take a outside, root over 1 plus x square by a square. Suppose students, if you take x equal to a tan theta, x equal to a tan theta, x square by a square, that is now tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta secant to square theta. Now identity we can utilize there. Suppose if x equal to a tan theta, dx means differentiating a into secant to square theta into d theta. So dx equal to a secant to square theta into d theta. Now come here. Integral dx place a secant to square theta d theta divided by a under root 1 plus x square by a square is tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta, but already root is there. Secant theta, 1 secant theta cancel. A already cancel. Integral secant theta d theta. Now students, integral secant x to dx we know fundamental now functions. Integral secant x to dx ln of secant x plus tan x, yesterday already proved. So same thing here, ln of secant theta plus tan theta plus constant. But answer should be in terms of x, not theta. That's why again now conversion required. So here ln of secant theta, x equal to a tan theta, means tan theta equal to x by a. But secant theta equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. But tan theta is, that's why x square by a square plus tan theta is a x by a. Yes, you can take now a outside, that is under root a square plus x square by a plus x by a. This is final answer for plus some constant. This integration. So suppose here x missed, so this much you need to solve. Suppose here x is there, very simple, already completed. So that's why now once the class completed, here x square plus a square, okay, completed, right? Now you please try x square minus a square. But x square minus a square, another identity you need to utilize. After that, a square minus x square also one time. So still two problems pending. That is now you need to work out that. Integral dx by root over x square minus a square, right? Integral dx by root over a square minus x square. But another identities you need to utilize now similar to this. So now in this now substitution method, by using method of substitution, integral complex integrations over. Students, now these integrations all in our physics more applications there. So that's why in this depth I am explaining. If you leave now this any integrations now next to starting from kinematics, advanced problems you can't do. Mains problems you can do, no problem. But advanced problems, but our students all now super China students. Target is advanced. So that's why this all once the class completed, integration. Yesterday part 1, today part 2, again revise and assignment to carefully complete. Yes, now up to now, integrations up to what extent physics required, up to that extent only completed. Still there, integral f of x to g of x to dx, that is f of x integral g of x to dx minus integral derivative of f of x to g of x to dx. Again now that also there. But that all now our mathematics are will explain in the second year, not first year. But that application is not there in the physics. That's why I left now that integration part. Up to what extent we need, up to that only I explain. But students now just to 2 minutes, one small topic is there in the integration that I will explain. The integration will be closed. Yes, up to now here plus c, this type of constants written means it is a indefinite integration. One just a small example for a definite integration. Remaining all you can solve. Very simple. Just not more than 2 minutes. Now coming to definite integration. Suppose students, integral x square dx, indefinite integration we know x cube by 3. But in the definite integration, integral x square dx from x equal to 2 to x equal to 3, limitations given. How to solve? Very simple. X square dx already we know x cube by 3 plus some constant. But lower limit x equal to 2, upper limit x equal to 3. Students, up to here all you know because indefinite integration over. Only concentrate from here only, just from here to this step. If you concentrate, then problem over. Now, first to take upper limit x equal to 3 means in the equation wherever x is there, substitute x equal to 3. 3 cube by 3 plus c minus means in the function x place 3 substituted minus. Now again substitute lower limit, that is x equal to 2, lower limit, that is 2 in the place of x. Yes, again here x. So that's why 2 cube by 3 plus c. So very simple students, up to here our indefinite integration all know. This step to this step also very simple. First to substitute wherever x is there, upper limit minus. Again wherever x is there, lower limit. Yes. Yes, now c minus c cancel. So in the definite integration, need not write constant because cancel out. 3 cube divided by 3 minus 2 cube divided by 3. So that is 327 minus 8. So 27 minus 8, that is 19. 19 by 3 plus constant. Now don't write, need not to write because already cancel out. So this 19 by 3 is the final answer for this. So like this, all indefinite integrations we know. Next time limitations I will give. You simply substitute upper limit in the place of x minus, again substitute lower limit in the place of x.